Running a gym is more than just helping clients achieve their fitness goals. Managing leads, scheduling classes, and sending reminders can quickly eat up your time and leave you feeling overwhelmed. That's why we've created a GoHighLevel GHL automation workflow template designed specifically for gym owners. This solution automates your booking process, streamlines client communication, and helps you focus on growing your gym. Here's how it works. Lead capture. The system automatically collects leads from your website, ads, and social media platforms and organizes them in the GHL CRM, so you never lose track of potential clients. Automated follow-ups. Once a lead signs up or inquires, the system sends instant follow-ups via SMS and email, keeping them engaged and moving toward booking their first session or class. Class booking system. With an integrated calendar, clients can book personal training sessions, group classes, or gym tours directly online. No more manual scheduling or double bookings. Automated reminders. Clients receive automated reminders for their sessions or memberships, reducing no-shows and cancellations while keeping your schedule on track. Feedback and upsells. After a session, the system follows up to gather feedback, promote membership renewals, and offer additional services like personal training packages. This automation workflow template is designed to save you time, keep your clients happy, and grow your gym's revenue. With everything from lead capture to booking and follow-ups handled automatically, you can focus on delivering the best fitness experience possible. Ready to automate your gym operations? Click the link in the description below to download the full automation workflow template for GHL and start transforming your gym today. Don't wait. Streamline your bookings and grow your business now.